Okay, so this is a video to try and help with some shapes work that I set for my year 7s. Before you can do that work, you really need to understand a few things about triangles. So let me start with some basics. If you've got a rectangle here, okay, and the rectangle is 2 by 4, then what 2 by 4 means is that you've got 2 rows, okay, because you've got 2 squares there, and you've got 4 columns. That's a 4 by 2 rectangle, and the area, okay, is the number of these 1 by 1 squares that are in your shape. So that's 1, that's 2, this is 3, this is 4, that's 5, that's 6, that's 7, and that's 8. Okay, the way that we calculate the area quickly is just do the height times the width, so it's 2 times 4, which is 8. Okay, so now imagine that you've got the same rectangle, okay, which is 2 by 4, but this time you chop it in half, so you've got a triangle, okay, and you're wondering what the area of this triangle is. At the moment it's a right angle triangle. I'm not going to talk about triangles that don't have right angles in them in this video. So logic would say to you that the area of the triangle is half the area of the rectangle. So to calculate the area, okay, you would do 2 times 4, which is working out the area of the rectangle first of all, and then you divide by 2. So that's 4. Okay, so moving on to another page. If I've got a triangle that looks like this, and this is 6, and this is 5, okay, then the area would be 5 times 6 divided by 2, which is 15. Okay, it doesn't matter if you do 5 times 6 or 6 times 5, because that gives you the same answer. So slightly harder, what happens if I've got a triangle, and let me draw it like this time, okay, and I tell you that this is 8, okay, and I don't tell you what the height is, but I tell you that the area is 12. Okay, so we know that the area is the height times the base divided by 2. All right, so 12 must equal a number multiplied by 8 divided by 2. So a lot of people, you don't have to be able to rearrange equations in order to solve this. A lot of people just know their times tables pretty well, and say I want to do 24 divided by 2 to give me 12, so 8 times what is 24? The what must be 3, okay, and then you can check that answer, because if you do 3 times 8 divided by 2, that gives you 24 divided by 2, which is 12.